Hi Aquarius, welcome to my place as Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. Let's start with your reading. I just heard two words, okay? And that is great deal. Greatdeal. There's going to be great deal. Boom in something. Your work, your presence will make situation aura shine. This deal is all about, just take it as in symbolism form, okay? Because I'm not talking about love as a deal, but sometimes love is a deal also. But here what they are trying to tell me is that love is also going to happen for some cases. Or maybe it's a great deal for you to love someone or give away all your emotions. You know, some people are here rising in love, falling in love, deciding on some stuff, don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Possible. Ace of Hearts energy. It is there, but you don't know what to do. However, we're going to shuffle. Okay. I shuffled it already. And we're going to cut the deck. And I'm going to do it my way. My way, my way. I don't see. I'm going to use this part, okay? Let's do it different. Aquarius, there's going to be great deal. 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 6 of Cups, King of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands. Interesting. I see in the future, let's start for the future. I see in the future that you're going to get hold of your desires, wherein there's going to be unleashing of the situation, okay? And I also see someone's gonna return to you, or at least they want to. This is going to be a great deal for you, which is all about whatever you're going to deal in this time frame. Make sense? It is. I'm going to make you understand. It is all about your current place, your work. So maybe it is connected with the great deal, connected with your work area. You're going to manifest something big. This may be event, gathering, sponsorship, some yes, signature, brand, collaboration. I see great deal, possible collaboration. Work is looking up here, okay? But let me tell you that you're going to be emotionally satisfied regarding whatever you have, and you're going to see the change in that. It is about leading your way in your own ways, not actually basically bowing in front of someone where you're not supposed to. I kind of get this vibe of like the love that is going to be shield for you, okay? As the shield, it's going to come and kind of energy, it's going to be aura and protection. It is something that no one else need to know now, but you people need to know, and you know, okay? This may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn vibe, or at least someone who is coming in the picture with whole clarity. Someone who won't let you go, or it is hard for them to, you know, they're possessive. They're going to be possessive. They're going to be very much concerned. And they are not, you know, at all costs, they're not letting this whatever is go. For some cases, it is homecoming. For some cases, it is like, it's going to be a great deal because something is there. Like possible there's a relationship entering in your life, which is you are taking step for something. This may be new relationship. This may be your relationship wherein you are further going. And the reason is, it is a great deal for you because you're going to invest your emotions in. Now you're feeling bond with that person, you know. The one who went away is returning, because they still linger on with those thoughts and emotions and the time and the memory they spent with you. Something is coming in the picture where you're going to celebrate something, okay, at home. There's a celebration I see. There's also calling, and the calling is all about you're going to, maybe you're going in presentation or something that you're organizing possible, and maybe you're going to lead that, okay? Means you're going to, is that the word host, okay? Something that you're going to organize. You may be even the part of that, and very close part, okay? Which is good. The aura will be really emotional there. Something that you're organizing at your own place possible, or a small cafe or some restaurant which is not so huge but is warm and comfortable. You may even meet your love if you never met your love, kind of, but for some cases this is like your resurgence, okay? You have Six of Cups energy, and I see in the future it is coming true. Something is coming true. Something may come back, I'm telling you that. Okay, let's see from this. Can you give us the cards? Can you give us the cards? Okay. So you have soulmate. I was right. You deserve love. You are lovable, and you are getting soulmate. So some of you know who this person is because they are returning. Resurgence is happening. For whatever reason, there is something that happened where you said that, look, let's stop there. But I feel that it's like the seepage that they wanted, because they're going to tell you what they really desire, and they can't stay away, and you're my greatest desire kind of words, which is Four of Wands is coming. So stability with your soulmate for some cases here. Yes, this is your soulmate. Some of you are going to find them, some of you are going to feel like it's like dream come true kind of love story, okay? For some, you know that. I was looking at Six of Cups, Six of Hearts energy, and you have true love. So this person is your true love. So if it is from past, you are not going to know. The realities will be coming, like the clarifications, unleashing situations will be happening. You have, this is the romance of a lifetime. So they are your soulmate, and this is the romance of a lifetime. On Nine of Cups. Okay. On Nine of Cups is coming unrequited. Something was there, but was not that much. Means there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Maybe it was just one-sided. Someone was not even ready in that time frame, or never realized. Kind of like wearing self-mask. Don't know what to do. So whatever was unrequited is going to come true. Four of Wands. Give your relationship chance. So I feel some of you are going to give chance again, because you realize that this is my soulmate with Ten of Cups and this. Some of you were in long time connections, maybe married. If not, that is not the case, then connection, okay? Give your relationship a chance is coming, which is work on your partnership. So this is on Four of Wands. It's about let's discuss, let's stabilize this, okay? Healing family issues. Some of you are going to heal family issues. Some of you have children, some of you have just one child. There's birth also. Someone who is looking at their daughter, at least there's a daughter, two daughters. However, just this picture is telling me that, of course, but I see like they're looking at their daughter. The father is looking at daughter. Oh, Papa, Daddy. And they're like, I missed you, my baby. I bless you. I want to be close to you. And I'm not going anywhere. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents as well. Some of you have grown and you saw your parents. Something was not right at home between your parents. If that was the case, you realize that you don't want to become that. You realize that I'm going to forgive so that I can love in the future. I can love, I can give love to my partner, I can give love to my children. And some of you gave birth recently, possibly or you adopted. Whatever your situation is, you want that I'm going to be the best mother, best father, best papa, best mummy. Because I want to be not like that. I don't want to give them that scenario. If that happened, okay, fine. I won't become that. And if you see very close, this is Two of Hearts energy, Two of Cups. There's going to be biggest reunion happening ever. Like you may call it like creating that history for some cases. You are going to become giving relationship chance, soulmate, knowing the fact, true love, overcoming things. Unrequited love, okay fine, you're going to boom bash that unrequited love and bring that memory back. and bring that chemistry back, because I see something is happening here. Very fine. There was just a fine line between this, and you people are crossing that fine line in order to be Two of Cups, in order to be together, to know the facts, to realize that okay, we love one another. We've always done that, right? Love abounds. This is Ace of Cups. This is Ace of Cups in here. Okay. Beautiful. Seeing just love, getting just love, giving just love. Mastering your heart. Okay. Six love is this major card here, which is Lovers. Coming together, happily, growing something. Number 6, third eye chakra. Okay, now whatever is written in the book, I don't do that. Like sometimes I read, sometimes not. I'm going to go my way. It's something very authentic. It is your third eye chakra, which means cracking up. I feel you're getting awakened. Okay, you know what you really want. You want harmony first. Okay, so you are settling your own issues here. First thing, seeing the reality that you never saw with two eyes, that is actually there, but now you're figuring out what exactly I want. Okay, there is certain spiritual and very, very telepathic connection with the person. It's going to work. Look, this goes so well. Change your focus. Change your focus. You're going to see something in different light here. Open up. You're going to open up. Someone's going to open up towards you. Observe. Deciding after observing something from every angle. That's also connected with certain kind of third eye opening, okay? Seeing all the sides and taking it in, like air, water, earth and fire, and deciding then. Some of you might be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This person is connected somehow, because I got the message of like behold, which was like observe, something that you're observing. You are going to lead. Number 4, Emperor, Aries. But it is about what you view. You're going to go ahead and take control of that. What is all this about? Okay, what is all this about? Taking control and temperance. Balancing things out in your life. Balancing this conversation even with a particular person, however this is coming ahead. You're going to have the same moment. Possible. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But I feel it's something that is coming your way. The Hanged Man. It's again cracking up, like third eye. Like, it's in here, yes of course, but that's kind of like changing. Looking at things from a different perspective as well. This may be even King of Cups. You know them, you knew them. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And Cancerian, Scorpions, Pisceans, I did the reading. That is again timeless. Something is at the back burner of them if you're dealing with the one, okay? Knight of Wands, next phase of your life. It's going to be a very important phase. We're going to discuss something, or at least not some of you discuss, but some of you, this is about taking into account something that is going to be like offered to you, or at least that's your next phase, what you're going to do about it. Aries, Sagittarius, but Knight of Wands energy. With the Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, White, but this is also about holding something very important, observing it before you accept possible. I hope this is going to help you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.